The benefits and challenges of outsourcing garment manufacturing. Outsourcing garment manufacturing has become a popular practice in the fashion industry, offering many benefits to companies looking to streamline their operations and reduce costs. However, outsourcing also comes with its challenges. In this blog, we'll explore the benefits and challenges of outsourcing garment manufacturing. Benefits of outsourcing garment manufacturing. 1. Cost savings. Outsourcing can help companies save money on labor, equipment, and materials. Manufacturers in developing countries, such as Bangladesh, China, and India, have lower labor costs than developed countries, making outsourcing an attractive option for companies looking to reduce production costs. 2. Access to skilled labor. Outsourcing gives companies access to skilled labor in other countries. Manufacturers in countries such as India, Bangladesh, and China have a long history of garment production and have developed expertise in this area, making them valuable partners for companies looking to outsource. 3. Faster time to market. Outsourcing allows companies to speed up their production cycle by leveraging the capabilities of their suppliers. Manufacturers in other countries can produce garments more quickly and efficiently, allowing companies to get their products to market faster. 4. Increased flexibility. Outsourcing allows companies to be more flexible in their production processes. Companies can adjust their production volumes based on demand and can easily switch suppliers if needed. Challenges of outsourcing garment manufacturing. 1. Quality control. Quality control can be a challenge when outsourcing garment manufacturing. Companies must rely on their suppliers to maintain quality standards, and there can be communication barriers and cultural differences that make this difficult. 2. Supply chain risks. Outsourcing can introduce additional risks into the supply chain, such as political instability, natural disasters, and transportation delays. Companies must have contingency plans in place to mitigate these risks. 3. Intellectual property protection. Outsourcing garment manufacturing can also pose a risk to a company's intellectual property. Suppliers may use proprietary designs or processes without permission or may sell excess production to third parties. 4. Ethical and environmental concerns. Companies must also consider ethical and environmental concerns when outsourcing garment manufacturing. Some countries have poor working conditions and low wages, which can be unethical, and some manufacturers may use environmentally harmful production methods. In conclusion, outsourcing garment manufacturing offers many benefits, including cost savings, access to skilled labor, faster time to market, and increased flexibility. However, it also comes with challenges, such as quality control, supply chain risks, intellectual property protection, and ethical and environmental concerns. Companies must carefully consider these factors before deciding whether to outsource their garment manufacturing. I hope this video has been helpful to you in starting your garment manufacturing outsourcing journey.